So I have Zachary George here that just completed the Details R Certified Detailer training weekend. Zach, what part of Pennsylvania are you from?
Poverty, PA.
Excellent. That's about what? How many hours away from
Four to
Pittsburgh?
five.
About 4 to 5 hours. You came a long ways. You came a long way. So what did you think of the business training on Friday?
Very informal. More information than I thought I would get, but it was excellent. I loved it.
So you think it's going to help you get the business going?
Yes, most definitely will.
What about on Saturday? We did the exterior training, which included the contact wash, paint correction, paint polishing, ceramic coating. What did you think of that?
I loved it. I learned a lot.
Excellent.
A lot doing the exterior.
So, do you think what you learned on Saturdays with the exterior and ceramic coating training, you'll be able to go back, procure some customers, acquire some really good customers, and be able to provide them paint correction, ceramic coatings, even paint selling?
Most definitely.
Excellent. What about today? Today was interior cleaning, detailing, coating, and headlight restoration.
I thought it went very well.
You learned a lot,
Yes, I did.
and you feel that these skills are going to basically help you.
Oh yeah,
Great
most
job.
definitely.
All right. Well, you did a great job. Would you refer others to come to our training?
Yes.
As
Yes, I
long as they're
would.
not in your hometown, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. You're a great student.
you.
Congratulations.